Meaning of hitherto.
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 Hitherto. Hitherto means up until this time or previously. It is an adverb that is used to refer to a situation or condition that existed or happened in the past, but which has now changed. The word can be used to describe a wide range of situations, from personal events in one's life to historical or cultural shifts. When someone uses hitherto, they are usually implying that there was a shift in some aspect of a situation or context, or that something new has been introduced that changes the course of events.